Urgent winter weather message. National Weather Service Huntsville AL. 2:25 PM CST Thursday, January 9th, 2025. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Mars, Hall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Lynchburg, Red Bay, Moulton, Russellville, Fayetteville, Decherd, Sewanee, Cowan, Guntersville, Decatur, Albertville, Huntsville, Athens, Estill, Springs, Cullman, Rainsville, Boaz, Winchester, Florence, Scottsboro, Town Creek, Sheffield, Fort Payne, Muscle Shoals, Arab, and Tuscumbia. 2:25 PM CST Thursday, January 9th, 2025. Winter storm warning remains in effect from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. CST Saturday, northern Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected northern Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. Total snow and sleet accumulations of 1 to 5 inches and ice accumulations up 0.3 of an inch. Where? All of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. When? From midnight tonight to 6 a.m. CST Saturday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Friday morning and evening commutes. Precautionary preparedness actions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511 and